Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno 14FS and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down and find security and privacy. Then let's scroll and find device unlock and tap on fingerprint and face unlock. Tap on fingerprint. If you've got any kind of screen lock, you have to enter it to confirm the whole step. And here we've got the reminder about the screen protector. Basically, if you're using one, be aware because it might affect the sensor. So be aware about that. Alright, so here we've got the sensor. Let's put our finger on it. And now we have to do it multiple times in order to add the fingerprint fully and try to catch every part of it for better recognition. So just change the position of the finger. Now the edges. Alright, so let's tap on done. I don't want to use the face unlock. So here we've got our fingerprint section. This is the fingerprint we just added. We can rename it or remove it. Add another fingerprint. Here we can decide for what we want to use our fingerprint for. So among others, screen lock, app lock, hide apps, and data protection. Here we've got the fingerprint animation, so if you wish you can change it. It's totally up to you. Just tap on the option and it will be applied. And here you can decide whether you'd like to show the fingerprint icon when the screen is off. Alright, so now all we have to do is to lock our device and check if it is working. So we've got the sensor, let me put my finger on it, and as you can see the device is unblocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.